Imagine you wake up in the morning, check your phone, and while you were sleeping, $73.40 landed in your account. No alarm clock, no boss, no 9 to 5 grind. That's what passive income really means. But how do you get there, even if you're not sitting on millions already? In this video, I'll show you the 4 most powerful ways to build real streams of passive income, with clear examples and practical steps. The classic way is investing. Here, your money works for you. Imagine you had invested $10,000 in the MSCI World Index 10 years ago. Today, that would have grown into more than $22,000 without you lifting a finger. With stocks or index funds, you can earn dividends of around 3 to 5% per year, plus benefit from long-term growth. With real estate, you can collect rental income month after month. The logic is simple. You invest money, let it work for you, and give it time. The challenge is that you need capital up front and patience to let your investments grow. The second way is creating digital products. This is perfect if you have knowledge or skills others are willing to pay for. You can write an ebook, design templates, or build an online course. It takes effort to create once, but after that, your product can be sold unlimited times with no extra work. For example, a single course on platforms like Udemy can generate anywhere between $1,000 and $5,000 per year. And thanks to the internet, you have instant access to millions of potential buyers worldwide. The key is to create something truly valuable, then let the internet handle the distribution. Another option is affiliate marketing. This means recommending products or services and earning a commission every time someone buys through your link. You don't need to create anything yourself. For example, Amazon affiliates earn between 3 and 10% per sale. If someone buys a $1,000 laptop through your link, you could earn up to $100 from just a single click. All you need is a platform like a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media where you can share your links. At the beginning, you will need to build trust and attract an audience. But once your system is in place, commissions can flow in automatically. The fourth way is building automated online businesses. Take dropshipping, for instance. A customer places an order in your online store, the order goes directly to a supplier, and the supplier ships the product straight to the customer. You don't touch inventory, you don't handle logistics. Your job is to set up the system. And with tools like Shopify and automation software, you can run most of the process on autopilot. Of course, at the start, you'll need to set things up, create ads, and build your store. But once it's running, it can generate income with minimal daily effort. But let's be real for a moment. Passive income is not some magic trick, and it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. It only works if you build a system that earns money for you, whether through capital, knowledge, or automation. At the end of the day, the principle is always the same. You put in effort or money up front, you build a system that works without you, and then you let time and automation multiply your results. That's how you create true passive income. So now, here's my question for you. Which of these 4 paths excites you the most? Investing, digital products, affiliate marketing, or building an automated online business? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you want to see more strategies like these, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out.